Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip.
Hi everyone, it's just nice here, you know, and today I'm getting a new update because you know a long time I had this 8 Plus and it's just been giving me so much problems. But today, instead of getting what I really wanted, they convinced me to go up in the year but not the size. But I'll let you guys wait and see what phone I actually got and what color I got. You guys are going to be so shook because I don't usually pick these colors. And if you know my favorite color is purple, so of course you thought I was going to go for that color, but I didn't. But stay tuned for the next clip. Now, go ahead. Okay guys, so this is my new phone. Look at it, it's red. I know I would have never picked red, but the red actually looks kind of fire still. So but now I'm going to pull the tab, you know, the satisfying part. So hopefully I do it good. ASMR. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm not going to show you what it looks like yet. Do you want to say hi to YouTube? Hi YouTube.
You can't see me, but whatever.
Okay guys, so I'm going to show you guys what's inside of my phone's, like what my phone came with. And yeah, so you know, this is all the lovely gadgets that Apple got for me. And it came from Freedom. You know, if you're from Canada, this is one of the phone companies there. I know it's not the best, don't come for me, but it's what I can afford. And so this is what's inside of the box. So this is the box that it comes with. You know, I know guys, I got red, and it says Apple, and then inside, I've been using my phone for a little bit now, like a week, so that's why the stuff are on package. So this is the cord that it came with. It's the USB-C, it's the new cord. You know, Apple did us dirty this year because everybody knows that the 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, they all got the new USB-C port. No, the 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max got the USB-C, and now with all the 12s and above, they all have it and they don't come with the box, so you always have to buy the box. So that's what this is. So this is the box, and it was $25, guys. You know, mine are broke, so I had to cough up and find money. So this is what the box looks like. It's just bigger and it has the new port in it, you guys can see, and you know how to put a charger together. So you just take this part and put it in. Oh, sorry, and put this in like this. So that's how that looks. And this is what my phone looks like. Well, it's on. I've been using it. So this is my phone. It's just red, you know, just the regular 12. And this is the case I got to go with it. It can't come off because it's a spec case, and so it gets stuck to your actual phone. Right now, I have nails, so it's not going to work. But it's like a clear up top, and then it ombra's into red, so it looks like a whole red phone, I guess. Yeah. So that's just the packaging that it came with, you know, that. And this is my old phone, you know, the good thing here, the one that helped me make all these YouTube videos. So, but now we have better quality with this new 12, so you're going to be seeing more videos filmed with my new phone. So yeah. So honestly, I've only had this phone for a week, so I can't really give you guys an honest review of it yet, but stay tuned for a 1 month update of how I like this phone and what I like about it and what I don't like about it. But as you can see, the size difference is way smaller than my old phone, but the screen is bigger than this old phone. This screen is a 6.1 inch, and this was only a 5.5, I think. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below videos you want to see me do, and give me suggestions. Even if you follow me on Instagram, just go in my DMs and send me video ideas, because now that I have a better phone that can take nicer videos and nicer pictures. Also, if you haven't yet followed my Just.Plump, go follow Just.Plump and get your lip gloss, your Crocs, everything. I saw everything over there. Also follow me at I am underscore just nice. And yeah, bye guys.
Back then, my swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton.